Yo, what's up everybody? Gabe with Gabe's Addictions here. We got an exciting video for you today. We got an exciting day in general. We're meeting up with Xander 13.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down.
Alright guys, that is a Whipple.
Alright everybody, so we're here, Gabe's Addictions. We got Xander 13, we got Stang Mode here. We also, the 18 Whipple just pulled up. Sounds bad already, so.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Clear sky.
Alright everybody, Gabe with Gabe's Addictions here. So we're going to go ahead and we just hopped into 18 Whipple Supercharged, Lucas's car here. So we're going to go take a little run and take a small little pull. Show you guys, give you guys a little teaser and see what this thing has. See how slow it is.
Here we go.
What exhaust you got done?
Stock, except for an H-pipe resonator delete.
Okay.
Got to delete the performance H-pipe, the rest is completely stock. It got a little louder with the tune.
Yeah.
The Whipple went on.
Okay.
Got the pops and the crackles from the tune. But it's completely stock.
Okay. And then yes, there it is.
There's power. Instant.
And that's kind of what I like about superchargers. With turbos, they got that top end, and you know it's got to build that, you know, the turbo spool and everything. But with the superchargers, man, as soon as you get on that gas, you know it's about to go down. So just a quick rundown of everything, just everything that you can remember that you've done so far.
Yeah.
We know it's a brand new 2018. How many miles we got on it? Just
At the moment, 1,713. The car itself, you got the Whipple Stage 2. Half shafts are G-Force 850 horsepower rated half shafts. Drive shaft is DSS aluminum one-piece drive shaft.
okay.
It's got oil pump gears, billet oil pump gears, billet crankshaft gears. It's got the drive shaft safety loop and a BMR cradle lockout kit.
Nice.
And that's basically the setup.
All the supporting mods you need when you put this much power into a car. I see you have the extended paddle shifters.
Yeah.
How you like that?
I like it. I don't use them much.
Yeah.
Because there's just so many gears. It's cumbersome for me. I just let the computer do the work. But
Right.
this was more of a cosmetic thing that I like. I got them from CJ Pony Parts, I believe.
There you go.
These are the black ones. They had red, silver, and carbon fiber.
So have you been to the track or anything yet with it?
No, I haven't.
Okay.
I intended to go last weekend.
Yeah,
Life
you're good there.
got in the way, but we're going to be going soon.
Okay.
And I'll keep y'all posted on what she does.
Definitely keep us posted. Can't wait. Yeah, I want to get out on the tracks. Holy damn. Instantly just throws you back in the seat with no reaction. You don't even have time to get ready before it throws you back. That definitely amazing.
Yeah, the tuner told me, he said beat on it. Should have no issue. You want to drive across country, drive across country.
Nice.
Beat on as much as the one. The only thing he recommends is if you're doing pools, you know, do one and then let it. Give yourself 5-10 minutes before you do another one.
Right,
Not back
right.
to back to back to back.
Okay.
But beyond that, he said just beat on it.
Nice.
So it's completely drivable. drives normal. And you can put it in fun mode, which is where this one stays the vast majority of the time.
That's the way to go.
That's right.
I mean, when you got this much power, I mean, you can't not use it, you know? And we won't even talk about miles per gallon, because as long as you're smiling, do you notice any difference?
It's less
Yeah.
than what it was before. I don't know exactly how much, but I checked it the other day. And again, I only got 1,700 miles on the car, and it's getting 14 miles a gallon.
Wow. At least you get more smiles off
This
it.
car is completely driven in the city. Rarely is it on highways, because it's just a weekend joyrider for me, so they don't get on the highway much.
There you go.
It's mostly street driven, you know, as fast as you can go, stop sign to stop sign,
Okay.
type of thing.
I mean, you'll definitely take out anyone that tries to run up next to you for the most part.
For the most
you know?
part.
And there's really not too much stuff that's showing like, oh, there's a supercharger underneath here, because you can't even really. I don't think you can really hear the whine to the car. I can't stop smiling. I think it's just
Fun, right?
That is fun, man. I don't think I've been in Alex's Hellcat, Xander 13's Hellcat, and that was quick for me, because I think that was the most horsepower car I've been in forever. So compared to this definitely picks up a lot more instant, just like we were saying. It picks weight and everything. Yeah, I like
Fun,
this.
right?
Yeah.
Come back anytime, man. We'll do a much longer one if you like.
Oh yeah,
You
definitely.
can walk around if you want, up to you.
Oh yeah. You guys stay following, stay linked to my channel, make sure you're subscribed. If you guys haven't done so yet, and if this is your first time on my channel, please subscribe and hit that bell notification, so that way you get the most updated videos that come out, and that way you're not missing out on any of the stuff that we have going on. I appreciate you guys so much, and thank you guys for all your guys' support.
I saw something.
The clown. Yeah, I saw him too.